Hi scientists, you've been learning about the properties of matter. Today you have an assignment and it's called Physical Properties Check for Understanding. I wanted to give you some information to help you complete this assignment because you're going to be working in Google Slides. If you're working in the slides and you're having trouble, come back to this video and see if your problem, if the solution is in this video. So when you click on the assignment, yours looks slightly different because you're the student and I'm the teacher. But I've typed this as a reminder in your assignment that when you open up here, up in this row, I can't remember if it's on the left or on the right, but you're gonna have a button that says My Document. Click on My Document. After you click on My Document, find the button that says Edit. Once you click Edit, you will be taken out of Schoology and put into Google Slides. So do you see how I have the Schoology tab open and then I have the Google Slides open? You're going to complete, there's work for you to do on every slide. There's information for you to read and then there's work for you to do. Once you have completed all of the slides, you come back to Schoology and there's going to be a button that looks like this that says Submit Assignment. So once you're finished working in slides, come back to Schoology to submit the assignment. All right, here's some information about when you're working in slides. Typically when somebody gives you a slide presentation, you're going to click Present, but we are not going to click Present. So don't click Present. What you're going to be doing is looking at the information here. On every slide, you have to read the top information. Once you've read the top information, then there's an activity for you to do at the bottom. I know that the information on this slide is tiny. So over here, if you go to the top and you have those three dots and you have zoom, and I learned something. I thought, oh, I'm going to zoom in. Watch what happens when I zoom in. Oh my goodness, what I want to get larger is getting smaller. So then I thought, well, okay, if zooming in isn't working, then I'm going to go the other way. So I'm going to click the minus sign. And look what happens, fifth graders. When I click the minus sign, this page starts to get larger. So what I want you to do is click on the three dots and click the minus sign and reduce. If you wanted to go, I do think it would be helpful for you to at least be able to tell that this is slide 1, this is slide 2. So maybe like I went to 33, so that this is large enough for me to read the top and to do the activity. So fifth graders, scientists are readers. You're a scientist and you are a reader. And so it's important that you're going to read this information. And then once you read all of the information at the top, including the models, this is a model. Scientists use models to explain what we cannot see. So matter is made of particles too small to see, but scientists have included a model here of what solid particles look like, liquid particles, and the particles of a gas. All right, then it says try it. Complete the table using examples from the term bank. So this is the bank and it says drag and drop. So it says carbon dioxide. So you need to think about, is carbon dioxide a solid, a liquid, or a gas? I'll go ahead and give that one to you. It is a gas. If you're having trouble using the mouse, so right there, I just used the mouse. I have a wireless mouse, but I know you're using your mouse pad. The other thing that you can do is you can click, and then I'm clicking my up arrow. Do you see how it moves? And then if I wanted, so I can go all the way up, if I needed to go to the right, or if I need to go to the left. So you can also use your arrows. If ever something goes awry and a word disappears, you have the edit undo. So edit undo, so like if you accidentally delete a word, stop what you're doing and click edit undo and the word should come back. Now there is a blank right here, so it says physical blank of substances. So one of these words does need to end up in this blank. So all of these words are going to end up on this page. Once you've completed that slide, then you'll go to the next slide and read this information, okay? Down here, just to let you know that when, so for example, see this balance right here and D is lower than C, that means that D has more mass. D is going to be heavier. When the balance is balanced, see, both of these are the same. That means that whatever the mass is on this side, that means it has to be the mass on this side. So read the information, and then you're going to use the balances to complete the work. So you have slide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have those slides where you're going to read the top and then do the activity at the bottom. Once you're finished and you have completed all of the activities, then you're going to click Physical Properties, come back to Schoology, and click Submit. This assignment is due Friday, October 9th. So this assignment is due Friday, October 9th.